Today we're talking contouring. What does it do? How does it change your face structure? And how can anyone, even a beginner, learn how to reduce their face fat or accentuate their angular features right from home? We're starting with the cheeks. Slimming down the face and accentuating the cheekbones is our main focus here. Select a contour shade that would be around 2 shades darker than your normal foundation shade. Starting from the center of the ear, contour under the cheekbone. Add a half moon shape right under the fullest part of your cheeks to give it a lifted appearance. Blend this out and remember to always go outwards and downwards to create the shadows that are going to lift your face. And finally, set this in place with a matte bronzer. Reducing the dreaded double chin and sculpting your jawline can be easily achieved through contouring. And here's where you should place your shadows. Carve out the jawline by starting from right under your ear. And don't worry if the lines look sharp now. Once we blend this out, it'll look like we've sculpted your face and given you a model-like bone structure. Blend this outwards and downwards to keep the shadows under the chin and jawline to make this area appear smaller in size. A narrower nose is not something you can achieve only through surgery or good genes. This simple contouring technique is just the thing you need. Use a fine brush and sketch out a line starting from the bridge of your nose between your eyes. When sketching out the other side as well, remember to keep these lines very narrow as the space in between is the area that's going to be highlighted. Blend out the contour lines downwards and outwards near the nostrils. And finally, take a bit of foundation and clean up the center of the nose. This will highlight the slim nose bridge that we've just created. Grab that contour kit and start sculpting your features just the way you like them. Thanks for tuning in and happy contouring. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. If you enjoyed watching this video, click here for a video that will help you find your perfect foundation. If you click here, you will find a series of amazing glamorous makeup videos. And finally, don't forget to click the circle below and never miss another amazing glamorous update.